go. Here we go. Here we go, go. We're off. We're off. Leaving the Lilydale. Leaving the Lilydale meet point to go on a road, mate. And the president waved us off. I think he's had an accident or something. And yeah, he's had an accident or something, and he's recovering, so he's just seeing us off. Nick's looking cool. Yeah, whatever he said, I don't know what he said, something about his face is ugly. He's talking to Mark, who's going to be our tail end, and they're talking shit just like I am about some shit. And everyone's waiting to get hungry. Everyone's looking hungry. Here's Ewan. Oh, easy Ewan, easy. Oh, here's our cameraman. He takes good snaps. He's got a new dry rider suit. Anya. Centre stand isn't all the way up yet, but it will be, I guess. There's our leader. Looking pretty cool, Ewan. Oh, XR. Yes. Yes. X. There's a lot of R's today. It's gonna be an R of a day. R. And everyone's waiting for someone. This is interesting. Oh, good. We've got Airbag Man. He wears an airbag on his jacket. And then we've got another R. No, GS. Well, still an R. They're all R's. R's. R's the R's. There's another R. Another R. And tail end's coming up now. Alright. Tail end. I better go, because tail end wants to go. And away we go. Up and away in my beautiful R1200 GSA. I only did that because the road was going up a bit, you see, like as if I'm gonna fly, going up. Who remembers that? Up and away in my beautiful. Oh no, it was a commercial, remember? It was Flying TAA. Remember that airline? TAA? That was the airline. That was the airline to go on. That was cheap as chips. It was pretty cool. And they had a commercial that went up and away in my no, hang on, let's go up and away, flying beautiful. TAA, I think. Hang on. Up and away, flying TAA. Beautiful aeroplane. No, I don't know. Look it up. It's got to be this. Someone's got to have a video of it somewhere. Ring up Channel 9. Ask them for the TAA commercial. They'll probably show it to you. Anyway, there's the morning dudes leaving for the day. The entourage for another big Ewan ride up to Reefton and Deefton and down to Marysville and somewhere or other. I never know where I'm going. I just follow the group and I just tell you what my map says. I'll give you the name of the street my map says on the screen, which is usually gibberish. It's usually Yankadoodle or Nickandakawaka Road or something. And I'll just tell you, and that's it. But where I am, I've got no idea. But yeah. Anyway, I'll bring you back when it's more interesting, eh? Later.